Today on World Famous Foods, we're going to be doing the teriyaki sauce recipe. Let's cook. Okay folks, this is pretty simple. So we got some water in our pan there. Gonna add some soy sauce. Got some cooking wine. Got some honey. Tell you, this is gonna be so good. Gonna be so good. Some brown sugar, some chopped garlic, and some ginger. What we're gonna do is gonna bring this to a little boil now. Okay folks, stir this a little bit. Look at this. We're gonna just let it start boiling, and then we're gonna turn. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. And folks, that's it. Now we're gonna let this cool before we can use it. Enjoy.